Navigating the U.S. Visa Dropbox appointment system can feel daunting, but with this guide, you'll breeze through scheduling your slot. First, you'll need to access the official U.S. Visa appointment scheduling website for your country. This is typically found by searching for U.S. Visa appointment scheduling. And looking for the government-authorized portal, be sure you're on the correct, official site to avoid scams. Next, you'll need to log in or create an account if you've applied before. You might already have an account if not. You'll need to register with your email address and create a secure password. Keep these credentials safe. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to select your visa category. This is crucial. Choose the correct visa type that matches your application, for example, B1, B2 for tourism or business, or your specific work visa category. Now for the main event, scheduling your Dropbox appointment. The system will show you available dates and times. Carefully review the calendar and select a slot that works best for you. Remember, Dropbox appointments are for specific eligible visa renewals and may have limited availability. After selecting your slot, you'll need to confirm your details. Double-check your personal information, visa type, and the chosen appointment date and time. Once confirmed, you'll typically receive an email with your appointment confirmation. Before you head to your Dropbox appointment, ensure you have all the necessary documents ready. This usually includes your passport, DS-160 confirmation page, visa fee receipt, and potentially other supporting documents relevant to your visa type. Check the official website for a comprehensive list. Following these steps will ensure your U.S. Visa Dropbox appointment is scheduled smoothly and efficiently, making your visa application journey a little less stressful. Good luck.